break number 2 for this evening tonight. SP Authentic 1415, break 1363. Double box break. Let's do this. 24 packs per box. 3 autos per box on average. Sometimes we get 4. Pack number 1. We start with a Modern Moment. Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Dwyer. Pack number 2. We have the Upper Deck Update. Anaheim Ducks, Matt Beleskey. Third pack. We have your Retro Edmonton Oilers, Mr. Wayne Gretzky. Next pack, we have your Premier Prospect Retro Montreal Canadiens, Yuri Sekak. We have the Modern Moments, LA Kings, Jonathan Quick and Anze Kopitar. We have the Upper Deck Update, Young Gun, Vancouver Canucks, Adam Glendening. Future Watch for the Calgary Flames, number to 999, Josh Joris. We have our first Future Watch autograph, number to 999, Boston Bruins, Alexander Kovalchuk. Next pack, we have a Modern Moment, Arizona Coyotes, Mike Smith. We have the Upper Deck Update, Toronto Maple Leafs, Mike Santorelli. All-time moment, New York Rangers, John Van Beesbrook. We have a Future Watch for the Chicago Blackhawks, Klaus Dahlbeck. Young Gun, Florida Panthers, Rocco Grimaldi. We have a Future Watch for the Vancouver Canucks, Brendan DeFazio, number to 999. We have a Retro Florida Panthers, Roberto Luongo, Robbie Lou. Our second Future Watch autograph, Winnipeg Jets, Adam Laurie, number to 999. Next pack, we have your Retro Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. We have your Retro St. Louis Blues, Paul Stastny. All-time moment, Detroit Red Wings, Chris Chelios. We also have your Retro Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Last pack, should get our third autograph. Yep, we have a Sign of the Time. Boy back from 12-13, Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. Yep, the second time we pulled it. So that's it for box number 1. Let's do our second box. box 2. Pack 1. Modern Moments, Anaheim Ducks, John Gibson. Heavy Upper Deck Update, Pittsburgh Penguins, David Perron. Next pack, we have a Future Watch of Troy Grosenick. Numbers to 999, San Jose Sharks. Heavy Modern Moment, Toronto Maple Leaf, Jonathan Bernier. And we also have a Retro, Toronto Maple Leaf, Jonathan Bernier. So back-to-back Toronto hits. Heavy Upper Deck Update, Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. Next pack, we have our first Future Watch autograph, numbers in 999, Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. Next pack, we have your Retro Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Next, we have the Upper Deck Update, Edmonton Oilers, Derek Roy. Derek Roy. Next pack, Future Watch, Colorado Avalanche, number to 999, Joey Eschen. We have your Retro New York Rangers, Richard Nash.
Yeah, my boy.
Yeah, I used to play with him. Our second autograph, number to 999, Future Watch Auto, Columbus Blue Jackets, Alexander Vanberg. We have your all-time moment, random between Los Angeles and Montreal, Guy Lafleur and Marcel Dion. I will do the random at the end of this break. All-time moments, LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky. Retro Premier Prospect, New York Islanders, Griffin Reinhart. Next pack, we have a Future Watch for the Flyers, number to 999, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. We have a Retro, Carolina Hurricane, Jeff Skinner. Modern Moment, Montreal Canadiens, Van Andrighetto and Yuri Sekak. Yuri Sekak. 3 packs left. So that's going to be our third autograph. We have the Upper Deck Update, Young Gun, Anaheim Ducks, Yuri Sekak. Sekak. It's ridiculous, the music. We have our third autograph is the Future Watch Auto numbers in 999 for Toronto Maple Leafs, Braden Cousin. And our last pack, we have another autograph, Sign of the Time, buyback from 13-14, New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. And we also have a Retro, New York Rangers, Ryan McDonough. The top edge has some white on it. So now that the break is done, we only have one thing to do next, and it's random time. Only have a single random to do. Between Los Angeles, Marcel Dion, and Montreal, Guy Lafleur. Name on top, third. 3 randoms gotta win this card. 1, 2, 3. Goes to the LA Kings. So congrats, Los Angeles. I'll be right back in 2 minutes with the double box break of Trilogy.